Florence DUFRASNES, Head of Research and Development and Intellectual Property within AIRBUS Space Division. I'm by education an engineer in signal processing and telecommunications. I'm currently the Head of Research and Development and Technical Strategy for AIRBUS for the space systems part of it. And I come from basically a history of 30 years in industry, working in the wireless industry, wireless telecommunications and ground segments, and now space. So my vision is that, of course, our industry of space is in significant change at the moment and is continuing to grow. There is clearly an attraction for space and everything that space can bring to the Earth in many different domains, be it Earth observation, be it overall connectivity, but also new type of missions like navigation and maybe considering exploitation of beyond the orbit, beyond the Earth orbit. So all of this is really in big transformation. We see, of course, a lot of new players entering, and that's a good thing because it brings different perspective and the opportunity for us to also work in combination with different actors in innovation. We need our institutions and public bodies to continue to support a very complex industry in which we stretch the technology to the edge. We see that this is happening very much in other parts of the world, and Europe cannot be lagging behind. And of course, we also, the third point I would say that needs to change is we're in a very strong war for talents. We will need more people, more engineers in the years to come in the space industry, and we need to make sure that we're going to create this pool of engineers ready to join the ranks. So Paris Space Week is one of these events where you get a chance to meet a lot of actors from agencies, small players, large groups, new entrants in the space industry, hyperscalers are here as well. So it's an opportunity to really meet a combination of different actors. Just bump into them, it's medium size in scale, it's not large. So you have a place for serendipity and just, unorganized, lucky meetings. And of course, open your eyes on what's happening and find new ideas for business combination, business opportunities. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, we need that different perspective. There are plenty of opportunities that get created for that. We need to not to forget one, which is really science, physicians that will bring us the real knowledge on what can be done, what cannot be done, particularly in the domain of Earth observation, feeding the sustainability topic. We really need to bring them together and not to forget the labs. They are part of the ecosystem, and that's probably one component that needs to be very, very solidly hooked with the rest. But apart from that, of course, the idea to come together in a single place to get opportunities online or physical to join and solve the challenges together is important. It's absolutely something we need to cherish and continue to do.